In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 powerful skills to make money in 2021 and beyond. That way you can actually have a skill that can potentially pay you for the rest of your life. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the content. All right, so the first skill we're going to talk about is video editing. So right now, there's over 37 million YouTube channels out there. So I want you to think about that just for a moment. There's new people getting started, so they may not necessarily know how to edit their own videos. And then there's other people who have been doing this for quite some time, working on their own thumbnails, but now they're kind of tired of doing it and they want to focus on what they want to do best, right? Which most 9 times out of 10, that's going to be creating a video for most people. Now, think about the opportunity there. So what I would recommend is to go invest into some courses and just really just understand the overall concept of editing. And probably the best thing to do is going to be actually editing videos, right? So get out there, understand the skill set, and really just start getting better to where you can actually become that person that people want to go to. All right, so the next skill we're going to be talking about is graphic design. There's entrepreneurs out there who have businesses. They want logos done. There's content creators who want logos done. There's content creators on YouTube who want thumbnails done. And so I want you to think about that. That's a very, very wide variety of things that you could actually be making money from. So first thing I want you to do is actually choose which area you're going to go in, like which avenue you're going to take. Is it going to be logos? Is it going to be YouTube covers? Is it going to be thumbnails? Is it going to be website design? And then once you figure out which one you want to go with, go and actually get better at that thing, right? The most important thing you should be doing each and every single day is investing in you, whether that's you picking up a book and reading it and getting some knowledge on that specific thing, if it's going to be graphic design, or that's you actually paying attention to like the visuals that Netflix has on there, or you on YouTube all the time, or if you're studying thumbnails and looking at certain things that's going to benefit you, that's going to make you the person that pretty much everybody wants to go to. All right, so the next skill I'm going to talk about is content creation, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. You see, there was preparation in putting this video together. Me understanding that I have a skill set and I know what questions that my audience is asking. And so what I do is I go and create content that's going to attract that type of person. And so you want to be able to do that same thing using whatever platform you decide to use. But a little tip I'll share with you, the most important thing is going to be understanding who it is that you're going to help, and understanding also how are you going to create content that's actually going to help them. That's very, very important when it comes to content creation. Now, this next skill we're going to be talking about has made me the most amount of money online so far. And that skill is SEO. It stands for search engine optimization. And what it is where you rank either a website or you also rank a video at the top of the search engines. And when people go asking questions online, searching for specific things in different niches, you can actually be found first, right? Or at least very, very high, so you can drive a massive amount of traffic. I've literally made the most amount of money online implementing this over and over and over again. And what's great about it is it can actually create passive income and also passive views while you snooze, right? So that's why I love it. If that's something that you want to learn, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description box. I got a free training down there that's going to walk you through what you need to do. And once you learn that skill, then you can start using that skill to promote different products and niches that you're actually interested in. Now, this next skill that we're going to talk about actually involves you putting your money where your mouth is, right? So that's going to be learning how to run paid ads. So there's different ad platforms out there, such as Bing ads, YouTube ads, Facebook, Twitter, Quora ads, right? So all these different platforms that you can use to either run ads for people, depending on how good you get with that process, or running ads for your own business and learning how to become profitable with those ads, right? Now, I actually got some trainings here on my channel for an entire playlist for YouTube ads, and also I have one for Bing ads, and I think I got another one on here as well, and I'll continuously be adding more. I got it right here on the channel. You can go directly right here to what you can see. You'll be able to go through this anytime. Now, this next skill we're going to talk about goes hand in hand with content creation. So really understanding how to sell products online, and that's called e-commerce, all right? And when you can learn what to do to sell products online, you can literally, it goes back to what I was talking about earlier. You can start to have passive traffic coming in and also passive income. So people are always coming. You understand the psychology behind, attracting these people. And the better you get at that, the easier this process starts to become, right? Like they say, most people say practice makes perfect, but practice makes permanent, because the more you practice, the better you get at that specific process. Now, the next skill we're gonna be talking about is actually pretty cool, because the website that you're on right now watching this video, YouTube, actually requires this thing. Also, apps require this. So with that being said, what I'm talking about is coding. Everything involves coding. So with that being said, if you can learn a skill set like that to where you can create a game, or you can create an app, or you can create websites because you really understand that stuff, you can make a significant amount of money. Now, obviously that's not a guarantee, because some people will go and try to learn coding, but then realize, okay, it's gonna take a little bit of time. But that's just like with anything in life. Everything that you want to do and you really want to be very good at that thing, you literally have to be willing to put the work in and consistently do that thing over and over and over again, right? On this channel, I've done over 600 plus videos. So just think about that. I've done this over 600 times, plus the videos that I've done over on Facebook as well. So that's repetition. So think about it. If you do decide to use any of these skills that I'm talking about, that I've talked about so far, just remember, it's going to require you to do it repetitiously. Sorry, I can't even speak right now. All right, so this next skill is very, very important when it comes to making money on the internet. And that skill is copywriting. Words that make people buy. So whether you're going to be doing that, writing like a sales letter, like via like a blog post, or an advertisement, or whatever it is, when you can get people to buy or move and take action, you're gonna make a lot of money. And what that is called is conversion, right? You understand how to convert people, whether that's gonna be converting them into leads first, and then converting them into a sale after them going through your entire sales process, right? But just understanding that process alone, you can either write copy for other people, or you can actually write copy for businesses that you're trying to build. Very, very important skill. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below with any additional questions that you have. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.